This video will cover the My Repairs integration with Monday.com. Any integrations can be found under the relevant tab on your configuration screen. To link Monday, click the Setup button shown. You'll first need to enter in your API key. Information on retrieving this can be found via the blue link. Once you have the key, click Confirm. You then get the options to either map an existing Monday board or create a new one. Creating a new one will generate a board that has columns for every repair field already linked. Mapping a board allows you to point your Monday board's columns to the repair fields that you need. Name, owner and status are three things that I'll leave blank, since they either default to what they'd need to be when the repair comes in, or they need manually assigning. Everything else can be mapped like for like. At the bottom, we'll make sure that the link field is populated, since this gives us the ability to redirect to the full repair record from the Monday item. We then click Confirm Selection and Map. After that, click Save and the integration will now be set up. We will now submit a repair from the tenant's point of view, and then show how this pulls across to the Monday board. We'll select a category and subcategory, upload an image, and then fill out our contact and address information. When the repair is submitted, the tenant first has to approve it via email. After that email is approved, the repair will show on the Monday board. The status will default to Open, showing that the repair still needs to be acted on. The owner field can be manually assigned to anyone who has access to your Monday board, allowing you to manage who is dealing with what. If we go to the end of the item, we'll find the repair link. This sends us to the full view of the repair, displaying the image and other important information. Going back to the board, the status can be amended to whatever you want, depending on what's currently going on with it. When it's completed, you can set it to Done, which will automatically move it into its own group of completed repairs. This is something that will need setting up via the Monday automations beforehand though. All of this information can then easily be found under the dashboard view, where you can configure many different widgets. We have a few numbered widgets along the top displaying the total and per status counts. We then have 4 different graphs showing jobs by status, owner, category and property. Monday does give you some default widgets to work with. However, you will need to amend the settings of the chart so that it's filtering against the information of the board that you want it to, like the property or repair type. You aren't just limited to default ones too. You can click Add Widget at the top and make custom ones from there. The chart type can be selected from a variety of options. And you can then adjust the labels to determine what you want to filter by. For this one, I'll do subcategory. After that's done, it'll simply show in your dashboard like so.